Mohammed, I have got a question for you from Mashreq. I will read this out unfiltered, so we have touched on, I think, some of these themes, but how is Mashreq dealing with clients' credit risk, so this construction company credit risk, during this time, this period that we're talking about? Has access to liquidity been more limited for contractors and construction companies when they are dealing with customers who are defaulting on payments? So how are you I guess you've touched on it already a little bit.
Mashreq with the contractors and financing them through the difficult times, we have been through a lot of cycles, specifically with contractors since 1991. And what we understood and what we learned from the past is that if you want to finance a contractor, you need to think like a contractor and adjust your terms within the bank that suits the contractor. Our understanding is very basic, and sorry for all of you to simplify it. For us as a contractor, we'll go in, there is a project, they will build it and they will go out. What happens in between, okay, is what we need to understand it with the contractor and then plug in that financing. Simply, for us, contractors continue to be a desired risk that we would like to take. We have been very active, and it's one of our, very good years nowadays. Doing business.
So it's a good year for banks, is it? Everyone else is struggling.
When doing business with the contractors, and for us, it has been historically the lowest risk, the lowest number of losses or defaults across this whole industry was.
Well, that doesn't make sense. If
it doesn't, right?
Why is that, do you think?
It's basically choosing the right contractor, doing the financing that is specific to the needs of the project, rather than going to
it's your risk profiling within your institution that is changed, not the industry.
And the structuring of those limits. Now, if you enter a project, the moment you sign with a contractor that you're going to support that project, you're going to issue those guarantees. Mentally, Mashreq is decided from day one that from that point that we are in this project till the end. And we will have to work with all the changes that will happen to that project with our customer, with our contractor. So the choice of the contractor, the choice of the project are critical to actually running a very smooth financing. So to cut things short, we are keen on supporting the contractors at this time and the times to come.